How to remove watermark in Alight Motion. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you remove watermark on Alight Motion. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Alight Motion app on your device. After you open Alight Motion, you'll get this kind of interface from here, as you have to just purchase the pro subscription for Alight Motion, like for the weekly, yearly or your monthly basis. If you are using any pro version of Alight Motion, you can simply turn off the watermark option from your Alight Motion, but if you are using the free version, you can't remove that watermark in Alight Motion. Alternatively, you can crop the video while after you export that video on your gallery. From the section, you can't remove or change the watermark from your Alight Motion app, as you can customize the watermark position for top or bottom. To remove that, you'll have to just purchase the Pro limit. After you purchase or activate your Pro on Alight Motion, you'll be able to remove that watermark on Alight Motion. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.